Hello everyone. In this video, we'll look at how to use the IUPAC name solver. So as you can see, we have this editor where you can edit any molecule as you want. And there are some helper tools out here. So for instance, if I want to add a single bond to this node, this carbon atom, I could just click it and add as many bonds as I want. Moreover, I can choose it to be either a single bond or a double bond or a triple bond. So for instance, I can modify this to be a double bond. And so there's this undo and redo functionality in case I do something wrong. I can always undo and redo here. I could erase any group from here or any atom, any link, right? Uh, Besides that, so there is this okay, it's like, okay, let's change it to single bond. I can also change the atom. So this is this atom tool. I can click it and let's say I modify this to COH, right? So I added a carboxylic group here. I modified the carbon atom to carboxylic acid. Besides that, you can add rings to your molecule as many as you want. Now let's say I click on this button. What do I get? So it says that the IUPAC name that it has detected is this, and it's but2-enoic acid. So it says that the primary functional group is a carboxylic acid. So it has detected some other information like there are like two double bonds. There's one cycle. The degree of unsaturation is 3, and similarly the number of primary carbons, number of secondary carbons, and so on. Moreover, it also illustrates how it arrived at this IUPAC name. So, and this is a step-by-step solution. The first step, it says that it is to determine the primary functional group if it exists. So so it says that there are 3 types of functional groups here, namely alcohol, uh, COH, and bromo, right? But out of the suffix group present, but it says that bromo is not a suffix functional group. So it knows that as that bromine or bromoad group is not a suffix functional group. It's just a prefix group. So it considers only alcohol or carboxylic acid to be suffix functional group. But out of these, it says that COH has the highest priority. So it chooses that to be its suffix primary functional group. And the next step is that it detects one cycle, and then it has to detect the parent chain. So it says that these are the top ranking parent chains that it had detected, candidates for the parent chain. But on comparing, it says that chain 1 has a primary function group attached to it, which is the COH. So it chooses this particular chain to be the primary function group, parent chain. And similarly, the order of numbering, it says that the numbering should start from the from the carboxylic group. So it says that this is C1, C2, C3, and C4 out here. Similarly for the cycle, so it says that since this cycle is connected to C2 item, so this carbon should be numbered as 1. So this is C1, and based on the different criteria, it says that C1, should be C1, C2, C3. So this should be the optimal numbering order for the cycle. And based on that, it arrives at this particular IUPAC names. So do feel free to play along with this tool as much as you want, and hope you find this useful. Happy learning. Thank you.